Mastering object pronouns in English. Hello everyone. Welcome to our new lesson. Today we're going to be diving into the world of object pronouns. These are essential parts of English grammar that you use every day, even if you might not be aware of it. We'll not only look at what object pronouns are, but also, we'll go through a list of them, and I'll give you examples to show you exactly how to use each one correctly. So, let's get started. Before we go into our list, it's important to understand what exactly object pronouns are. Object pronouns replace the object of a sentence. This could be the object of a verb, or of a preposition. By using an object pronoun, we avoid repeating the same noun over and over again, making our sentences smoother and more natural. For example, in the sentence, I gave the book to Mary. Mary really enjoyed it. The word it is an object pronoun, replacing the book to avoid repetition. Now, let's dive into our list of object pronouns. There are 7 object pronouns in English, and these are 1. Me, 2. You, 3. Him, 4. Her, 5. It, 6. Us, 7. Them. Each of these pronouns is used to replace a noun that is the object of the sentence. Now let's break down how to use each of these correctly. 1. Me. Used to replace the person speaking when they are the object. Example: John saw me at the store. 2. You. Used to replace the person being spoken to when they are the object. Example: I told you the truth. 3. Him. Used to replace a male person or male animal when they are the object. Example: Sarah likes him. 4. Her. Used to replace a female person or female animal when they are the object. Example: I saw her at the park. 5. It. Used to replace a thing, or a male or female animal when it is the object. Example: Do you see that tree? I planted it. 6. Us. Used to replace a group that includes the speaker when they are the object. Example: She invited us to the party. 7. Them. Used to replace a group of people, animals, or things when they are the object. Example: He bought them at the market. Remember, these object pronouns are used in the place of objects in the sentence, not the subjects. And that's it for today's lesson. We've covered the basics of what object pronouns are, provided you with a list of these essential grammar components, and explained how to use them correctly in your sentences. Remember, practicing is key when it comes to mastering a new aspect of a language, so try using these object pronouns in your daily conversations or writing. Thank you for joining me in this lesson, and I hope you found it helpful. Keep practicing, and I'm sure you'll master the use of object pronouns in no time. See you in our next lesson.